Hello everyone, my name is Swati Sharma and I have teaching experience of more than 12 years. Today in this video, we learn about trigonometry. Now what does exactly trigonometry mean? Trigo means 3, gon means sides and metron means measurement. So trigonometry is the relationship of the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. Now, if we talk about the uses of trigonometry, the astronomers use this concept in measuring the distance of stars and planets from the Earth. So, trigonometry is the relationship of the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to its acute angles. Now, here we will establish some trigonometric identities. So, first identity what we have here is sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. Now here in this figure we are taking a right angle triangle ABC where B is a right angle triangle and A and C are acute angle triangles. Now we will take all the measurement of the various identities with respect to angle A. So in this figure, what I have drawn here, I am taking with respect to angle A, the adjacent side as AB, the opposite side as BC, and hypotenuse, which is opposite to right angle triangle, that is AC. Now starting with first identity, that is sine of angle A. Now sine of angle A, the identity goes as opposite side of angle A upon hypotenuse. So looking at the figure, we have opposite side of angle A as BC and hypotenuse as AC. So sine of angle A will be BC upon AC. Now next identity is cosine of angle A. Now with respect to angle A, come to the figure, we have adjacent side of angle, acute angle is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So cosine of angle A will be AB upon AC. Now third identity is tangent of angle A. Now tangent of angle A, as we can see in the figure, is opposite of angle A divided by adjacent side of angle A. Now in the figure, opposite of angle A is BC and adjacent side of angle A is AB. So tangent of angle A is BC upon AB. Now cosecant of angle A. Cosecant is just the opposite of sine of angle A. Now sine of angle A was opposite side of angle A divided by hypotenuse. Now cosecant of angle A will be hypotenuse upon opposite side of angle A. So in the figure we have hypotenuse as BC and opposite AC and opposite side of angle A is BC. So in short, cosecant of angle A will be AB by AC by BC. Now secant of angle A. Secant of angle A will be 1 upon cosine of angle A, where cosine of angle A was adjacent side of angle A divided by hypotenuse. So in the figure, adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So reverse of it, secant of angle A will be AC upon AB, right? Now cotangent of angle A. Cotangent of angle A will be the reverse of tangent of angle A. So tangent of angle A, as we have seen, is adjacent side upon angle A upon opposite side. So now cotangent of angle A will be AB by BC. Right? So this is all about my video and thank you.